Good evening, sir. I'm Robel Amason. Section is 1R. This is my presentation. In this my presentation, I have 3 topics. First topic, ballast water management, BWM. Second topic, anti-fouling system. Third topic, other contemporary regulation or requirements. This is first topic. The first topic has ballast water management, BWM. Ballast water management, BWM, refer to the control and treatment of ballast water to prevent the transfer of invasive aquatic species and harmful organisms between different marine ecosystems. Ships take in ballast water to maintain stability, trim, and balance during voyages. But when this water is discharged at a different location, it can introduce non-native species, potentially causing environmental, economic, and public health problems. Second topic, anti-fouling system. Anti-fouling system, AFS. An anti-fouling system, AFS, is used on the hulls of ships and other marine structures to prevent the accumulation of marine organisms such as algae, parnaslets, and mosses, which is referred to as biofouling. Biofouling increases drug fuel consumption and emission while reducing the vessel operational efficiency. Third topic, other contemporary regulation or requirements. Contemporary regulation or requirements in the marine industry. The shipping industry is subject to various modern regulations aimed at ensuring environmental protection, safety, and operational efficiency. Beyond ballast water management, BWM, and anti-fouling system, AFS, here are other significant contemporary marine regulations. First, MARPOL, International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from Ships. Second, Greenhouse Gas, GHG, Emission Regulation. Third, the Hong Kong International Convention for the Safe and Environmentally Sound Recycling of Ships, HKC. Fourth, International Ship and Port Facility Security, ISPS Code. 5. Polar Code, 6. Sulfur Emission Control Area, SECES. Nitrogen Emission Control Areas, NECES. 7. Maritime Labour Convention, MLC 2006. 8. Cyber Security in Marine Operation. 9. Noise Pollution Regulation. 10. Ports State Control, PSC Infection. 11. The Ship Energy Efficiency Management Plan, SEEMP. 12. Autonomous Ship and Digitalization Regulation. I would like to thank for watching and listen my topic